Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Messenger update not showing, right? That is not working on your phone, how you can fix it. So the very first thing, we will just go to the Play Store. If you are using iOS, then just go to the App Store, and on the search bar you have to type Instagram, right? And here you have to make sure to update this, right? As you can see here, the update icon here, so you have to just update it and make sure that you are using the updated version, right? And just go down below, and you can also join the beta version, right? So this will give you a much more features what other users don't have. So if you want to join the beta version, you can do it, but I'm just leaving it. And after that, this may fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to do one thing. You have to just click and hold, and after that you have to go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, and here click on the storage usage, and here you have to clear all the cache, right? And after clearing all the cache, you have to clear data too. So after clearing the data, this will fix absolutely all of your issues of Instagram, right? This will unload and delete all the wasteful data that is not required to work in Instagram. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.